Hey guys, today we are going to study about the phase changes, which is known as Kinetic Particle Theory of matter. So I'll make it easy for you by Ms.Saamiyah. Please subscribe to my channel first. Let's start it. Hey young scientists, welcome back to Simple AlChemy, the place where chemistry isn't just easy, it's fun. Today we are diving into one of the coolest and the most important ideas in chemistry, the kinetic particle theory of matter. Let's dig deep into it. The three states of matter are solids, the neat freaks. In solid, particles are tightly, really close together, like students sitting in assembly, shoulder to shoulder. They don't move around, just vibrate in place. Then we have liquids, social movers. In liquids, particles are still close, but they are not stuck. They can slide past each other like friends dancing in a circle. Then we have gases, the wild ones. Gas particles are totally free. They zoom around in all directions. They are far apart, move super fast, and fill any space they are in. What happens when you heat the matter? Here's where the fun begins. Heat is equal to energy. So what happens when you give particles more heat? Solids heat up. In turn, the particles vibrate faster and solid melts into liquid. Then, when you heat the liquid more, particles escape. Liquid boils into a gas. Gas get hotter. They expand and move faster. So more heat is equal to faster movement plus more space between the particles. What if you cool the things down? It will be opposite. Gases cool, but particles slow down, become liquid, which is condensation. Liquids cool down, particles stop sliding, and they become solid. They just freeze. So cool is equal to slow movement is equal to freeze is equal to tightly packed, a tight party. They will be close together. Why is this a theory very, very important? The kinetic particle theory explains so much, like what? Like why ice melts, why steam rises, why perfume spreads across the room, and even why balloons grow bigger in heat. Why do they expand? Let's talk about it. So if you see the ice melting, if you see water boiling, or if you see the condensation appearing on the screen on winters, that's all kinetic particle theory in action. One phase is changing into the other phase. So the key words for review: atom, tiny particle that makes up element; molecule, a group of atoms bonded together; intermolecular space, the gap between the particles; and kinetic particle theory, a science idea that explains how particles move in solids, liquids, and gases, and how the phase changes. So that's it for kinetic particle theory. That's all, chemistry champ. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more science-related fun videos. You will find them here on this channel. Please subscribe to my channel and drop in the comment box what you want to see next, on what topic you want me to make the video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video in the next class. Bye-bye. Take care.